Okay, so we've just finished up doing a digital speed cluster upgrade on this Golf R 2014. So here's the new cluster. Looks absolutely phenomenal. All OEM functions working. This is the original one, just here. Can be put back to factory should you want to do that for any reason, but I can't find a reason for that. But it looks absolutely phenomenal. As you can see, it supports all the data as well. So you can see I'm changing the channels on there as well. It's currently on radio. You've got loads of different sort of functionalities, so you can scroll along. Gives you a door support as well. Loads of different features. Get in contact with us if you'd like to get this done on your VW.